Hey guys, I'm Jacob.
And I'm Joel.
And this is the first ever video on the J&J Garage YouTube channel. And today we have my 2014 Subaru BRZ. We're going to be swapping the taillights for these Valenti LED sequential taillights. They have the smoke lens, should be a pretty easy install. So let's get right into it.
Alright guys, so it's time to get ready for the install. The first step is a very easy one. So you're going to want to go to the back of your BRZ, open up the trunk, and you should see a few clips holding in your carpet. After you got those clips removed, go ahead and peel the carpet away from the back of the taillight, and after that you should immediately see 4 bolts holding on your taillight. Go ahead and take a wrench and unscrew those nuts that are on the bolts. You just have to loosen them, and the rest of the way it should be easy enough to unscrew them with just your hands. After you got those taken off, it's time to take out your old taillight. So you can go ahead and just pull away at the taillight. It should come out fairly easy. If not, you're just going to have to use a little more work. Ours was not hard at all. After you got your old taillight taken out, it's time to put in the new taillight. Make sure all the bolts that are on the new taillight and the seals line up in the body of your BRZ, so everything gets sealed up, you won't get any water in there. Once they're all lined up, you can go ahead and push your new taillight right in, make sure everything feels snug. After that, you can go ahead and replace the nuts on the bolts, hand tighten them, and then tighten them even more with your wrench. And you can go ahead and replace your carpet and obviously use the same clips that the carpet had to begin with. After that, your new sequential taillights are fully installed.
Okay, so that was the install of the Valenti taillights for the Subaru BRZ. It's pretty simple, just 4 easy bolts you have to unscrew, and then you can pull the old taillight out and the new one slides right in, no problem. Tighten those back up and plug it in and you're good to go. There's a little switch to turn on and off the sequential turn signals, although I don't know why you would want those to be turned off. They look really cool, but
yeah, I think these taillights look a lot better than the stock ones. I mean, the stock was very, very basic, and I think, you know, the sequential is so much better for this car, and of course the darkened effect just adds a whole new look to the BRZ, so.
Yeah, so that's it guys, the install of the Valenti taillights, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase these, you can click the link in the description below. So we'll see you guys in the next video.